Hello everyone, I'm Rick Janzen. Welcome to my tutorial. Hey, let's take a quick look at tying the perfection loop knot. Okay, to begin with, we're going to go with this thick cord so I can demonstrate the knot. We're going to take our main line here and tie a simple overhand knot in it, like so. And we want a long tag end like this so that we have a lot to work with when it comes to tying the knot. So we're going to take that tag end now and we're going to slip it through the eye of our hook and pull it up till our overhand knot comes in contact with the eye of the hook like that. Then we're going to take our main line, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and wrap it around our tag end, wrap it around the main line 4 times. So we're going to go over the main line 1, 2, 3, 4. Then still holding on to that main line, that tag end actually, we're going to come up through the loop that we've still got up against the eye of the hook there, and then we're going to pull on everything. Now because this rope isn't as slippery as monofilament, it doesn't tighten up as nicely and cleanly as a mono knot, but you can still demonstrate the basics of the knot through this method so that you can see what to do. When we're done the loop knot, you should have a loop that won't slip shut and your tag end sits 90 degrees to your main line like this. You can then snip off that tag end quite short and you've got a nice closed loop that'll allow your fly or your lure to swing more freely in the water and get much more action. It's especially useful for fishing chironomids on tippets, under indicators, or on the deep line method. A great non-slip loop knot. Let's show it to you in monofilament. Alright, now we're going to work with some monofilament here. I've got some 40-pound tests, and you can use this same knot all the way down to your lightest tippets. I'm doing this for the camera so that you can see what's going on. I'm using another 5/0 hook here to help demonstrate that. So like we did with the rope, we're going to tie a simple overhand knot like that. We've got that in the line. Now we're going to pick up our hook and run our tag end through the eye of the hook until it comes up against that overhead knot, like that. Now we've got our overhead knot there. I'm just going to cinch it down a little bit because I want a smaller end loop on this line when I'm completed it. Now I'm taking my tag end and going around my main line 4 times. 3, 4. I get my tag end now and I bring it up through this little loop that I've saved here by the eye of the hook. And here we go, we're going up here. This is where having a mouth comes in handy. I grab that tag end with my teeth and I'm going to pull on all 3 at the same time. Like so. Now I've got my perfection loop knot there. You can see it's a nice closed loop that won't slip shut. The tag end sticks out at 90 degrees, which I'm going to snip off really close to the line later as I go fishing. Perfection loop knot, very versatile. Can use it in fly fishing, lure fishing, bait fishing, anywhere you want your lure or your fly to swing freely in the water. Well, that's as hard as it gets. It's a pretty simple knot. I'm sure you can make great use of it. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to my channel, where you'll get lots more in fly tying and fly fishing content. Thanks for watching.